I'm Dean.
I'm Zach.
Today we're going to show you how to make a plane that we call the DZ Original.
This is how you make it.
So first you fold it in half, lengthways, crease it nicely,
Open it up.
then you fold the two top ends in. Make sure you do both sides. And then after this step,
You fold it down,
and
to,
then
touch
it's a triangle with your paper.
Then you fold.
Make sure that you've made a triangle with the paper there.
And then you fold that almost to at the top for both sides. And then when you're doing that, you make sure you line the tips up with both tips. And then after that, you flip the paper around and you fold that down. And then you crease nicely because it's a bit thick.
Yeah.
And then you crease those edges off. And then you fold this tip up
Until it touches the side.
Yep. Until it's like that.
And then you fold it in half.
Like that.
And make sure that it's all,
Now the wings.
all good.
Now you fold it down to this vertical. You fold it to that line there.
So that it's a little bit more down, a little bit more up when you folded it down.
Down
that.
to there.
Now once you've made the wings, you can open it back up.
And then you just put that.
And then you pull it up a bit more so then it goes a bit more straight. And if you want some more so it's more stable, you can fold the edges up a bit more.
Yeah.
So then you get more airflow. Yeah. There you have it, guys. There's the DZ Original.
Now we're going to show you how it flies.
This is how it flies.